Have you ever been inspecting your powered parachute and stopped for a moment and wondered, is that normal or is that a problem? Maybe it's a bolt that doesn't look quite right. Maybe a small nick on the propeller. Maybe a fuel line or something on the engine. Most powered parachute owners are legally allowed to work on their own aircraft since most powered parachutes are certified as experimental light sport. But many pilots hesitate when it comes time to actually evaluate these things because they were never formally trained on the aircraft systems. And that's exactly what the Light-Sport Repairman Maintenance course is designed to address. In this video, I'll explain what the course is, what you learn in it, and who should consider taking it. My name is Roy Beiswinger. I've been flying and teaching powered parachutes since 1993, and over the years I've trained pilots, instructors, and mechanics in many aspects of powered parachute operation and maintenance. Recently, I've developed a Light-Sport Repairman Maintenance course specifically for powered parachutes, and I want to explain what that training is all about. Most powered parachute pilots already do at least some work on their aircraft, things like basic engine service and small problems found during a pre-flight. Powered parachutes are relatively simple aircraft, and owners naturally become involved in maintaining them. But there's a difference between doing maintenance and understanding the systems well enough to evaluate what you're looking at. And that's where many pilots run into uncertainty. I've seen this happen many times over the years. A pilot is looking over their powered parachute and notices something doesn't look quite right. Maybe it's a small nick on the propeller. Maybe a nylock nut isn't showing enough threads. Maybe there's a fuel line that's starting to age. And the question becomes, is that okay, or is it something that needs attention right now? Without training, it's very difficult to know the difference. And guessing is not a good maintenance strategy. That uncertainty is exactly why maintenance education can be so valuable. The FAA actually provides a pathway for this kind of training. It's called the Light-Sport Repairman Maintenance Certificate. This is an FAA repairman certificate that is category specific, meaning it applies to a specific type of light sport aircraft, in this case, powered parachutes. With this certificate, a qualified repairman can perform maintenance and sign off annual condition inspections on special light sport aircraft. But the real value of the training is not just the inspection privilege. The real value is understanding the aircraft systems in depth. The course covers the major systems that make powered parachutes work. That includes things like airframe structure and hardware, propellers and thrust systems, Rotax engines, both 2-stroke and 4-stroke, fuel systems, electrical systems, parachute and rigging systems, inspection techniques, and maintenance documentation. Students learn how these systems function, what to look for during inspections, and how to evaluate the condition of the aircraft. There's also a strong emphasis on hands-on learning, working with actual aircraft components and maintenance scenarios. Pilots take this course for several reasons. First, confidence. When you understand the systems, you're much more comfortable evaluating the aircraft. Second, safety. Knowing what to look for during inspection helps you catch problems early. Third, independence. Instead of guessing or relying on someone else's opinion, you can make informed decisions about your aircraft. And of course, the certification also allows qualified repairmen to perform annual condition inspections on special light sport powered parachutes, both their own and for others. Another benefit that many pilots don't think about is how useful this knowledge can be before you even buy an aircraft. When someone is shopping for a powered parachute, it can be difficult to evaluate things like the condition of the airframe, the health of the engine, the state of the propeller, and the overall maintenance history. Understanding these systems can make it easier to evaluate a potential purchase before writing the check. One of the things that makes this course unique is that it's designed specifically for powered parachutes. There are very few opportunities anywhere in the country to receive structured, in-depth maintenance training focused entirely on powered parachute aircraft. Because of the need for this kind of training, I've developed a Light-Sport Repairman Maintenance course specifically for powered parachutes. The course includes detailed classroom instruction, system demonstrations, hands-on inspection work, and real maintenance examples. The goal is to give students a deep understanding of powered parachute systems, not just the ability to complete a checklist. Interest in the course has already been strong. In fact, the first class already has a waiting list. If you're interested in the training and would like to be added to that waiting list, the best thing to do is simply contact me directly. I've included contact information and additional details about the course in the description below. If you'd like to learn more or get on the waiting list for future classes, feel free to reach out. And finally, if you're interested in powered parachute flight instruction in either the Midwest or Florida, please visit easyflight.com. Thanks for watching, and blue skies.